What happens when you take a legend from the past and give it the heartbeat of the future? What if the soul of a machine built to conquer deserts, mountains, and untamed trails could be reborn in a form that speaks to a new generation? In 2026, Yamaha has done exactly that. They've taken one of their most iconic names, the XT500, and brought it roaring back to life. But this isn't just nostalgia, this is evolution. And by the end of this video, you'll understand why the 2026 Yamaha XT500 might be one of the most important motorcycles of the decade. The legend of the XT500. Why it mattered. Before we look ahead, let's rewind. To understand why the XT500 coming back is such a big deal, we need to go back to where it started in 1976. Back then, Yamaha launched a single-cylinder thumper that would go on to win the first two Paris-Dakar rallies, inspire an entire generation of dual-sport riders, and create a blueprint for simplicity, durability, and off-road freedom. The original XT500 was light, reliable, and rugged with a torquey 499cc single and minimalist frame. It wasn't just a motorcycle, it was a passport to the wild. Over the years, it became a cult classic. Collectors kept them running, riders took them on round-the-world journeys, and for decades, fans begged Yamaha, bring it back. Now, in 2026, they have. 2026, Yamaha XT500, the return of a legend. Let's be clear, this isn't a retro re-release. The new XT500 is entirely modern, with subtle nods to its heritage and a few unexpected surprises under the seat. The first shock? It's electric. Yes, the 2026 XT500 is Yamaha's first fully electric dual sport, and it's designed to do what the original did best: go anywhere for anyone. But this isn't a silent commuter scooter in disguise. This is a purpose-built, rugged, electric dirt warrior ready to get dirty, get lost, and get back. Brewers, design minimalist, functional, beautiful. At first glance, the 2026 XT500 is a visual tribute with a tall, upright stance, round LED headlamp, sculpted tank shrouds, and minimalist seat. The bike carries its heritage in its bones: the matte silver and black paint, the high-mounted front fender, the spoked wheels, the rugged simplicity. But every line is modern. The subframe is modular. The plastics are made from recycled composites. The seat is slim and grippy. There's even a nod to the Dakar history with a small, transparent wind visor and optional soft luggage built into the accessory kit. It looks like it belongs in a desert rally, but would feel just as at home outside a coffee shop. Powertrain electric, but not boring. Let's talk about the heart of this machine. The XT500's new powertrain is a liquid-cooled, brushless electric motor, making 46 horsepower and a whopping 85 lb of torque, delivered instantly. That torque curve? Flat, predictable, grippy, perfect for technical terrain, rocky climbs, or launching out of sandy corners. Top speed is capped at 95 miles per hour, but it's not about that. This is about controlled torque, trail-ready power, and keeping things simple. The motor is powered by a 6.2 kWh swappable battery system, offering around 110 miles of mixed riding or 65 miles of off-road abuse. Pop in a spare pack from your pannier or camp, and you're back on the trail in 2 minutes, no waiting. Charging? Level 2 fast charging support gives you 80% charge in 40 minutes, or plug it into any household outlet overnight. Chassis handling, lightweight with grit. The new XT500 uses a high-strength steel trellis frame, designed to flex slightly for better trail feedback. It's paired with a fully adjustable KYB suspension setup, 43 mm front forks with 10.2 inches of travel, a piggyback rear shock with preload and rebound adjustment. With a wet weight of just 298 pounds, the 2026 XT500 is one of the lightest dual-sport electrics ever made and nearly 70 pounds lighter than most electric dirt bikes in its class. The result? It feels like the old XT, flickable, confidence-inspiring, and easy to ride all day. Tires are 21-inch front and 18-inch rear, wrapped in dual-sport compound rubber that leans slightly toward dirt. Want to go full knobby? Yamaha supports it. Want to swap to a supermoto setup? They'll offer that too. Technology smart, not distracting. Here's where Yamaha struck a perfect balance. The XT500 is modern, but not over-teched. You get a small 4-inch color display mounted just below the bars, showing range, speed, ride mode, region level, and battery temp. There are 3 ride modes: Eco limits, torque, and extends range. Dual balances power and range. Dakar full power, maximum torque, tuned for loose terrain. There's also switchable traction control, a region braking slider, and basic Bluetooth connectivity, but no bloatware, no apps, no screens trying to do too much. The idea is simple: less interface, more adventure. Durability built for the real world. Yamaha didn't just design this bike for Instagram. The motor is IP67 waterproof, meaning it can ford streams or take heavy rain without issue. The battery pack is shock-mounted with protective shielding, and Yamaha designed the body panels to pop off without tools for fast trail repairs. The skid plate is reinforced composite, the foot pegs are metal with removable rubber inserts, and the levers are designed to flex, not break. Even the charging port has a locking rubber gasket with a waterproof flap, so mud and grit don't ruin your ride. This isn't a city slicker e-bike. It's a real machine, built to be dropped, scratched, ridden, and ridden hard. Price positioning accessible, not exclusive. So how much does the 2026 XT500 cost? Yamaha set the base model at $9,999 USD, making it one of the most affordable, full-size electric dual sports on the market. A rally pack with upgraded suspension, soft panniers, auxiliary lights, and navigation is available for $11,499. And get this, Yamaha is also launching an XT500R Urban Edition with 17-inch supermoto wheels, road tires, and lower suspension, a nod to the cafe racer fans. At this price point, the XT500 undercuts most EV bikes with similar specs, while offering the Yamaha name, network, and parts support something boutique electric brands often lack: real-world riding. Who is this bike for? So who's the 2026 XT500 really for? Honestly, a whole new generation of dual sport riders? It's for the rider who doesn't want to deal with carburetors or clutches. The weekend explorer who wants instant torque, no maintenance, and the ability to ride in silence through national forests. The urban commuter who might hit gravel on the way home. Or the veteran ADV rider who wants a second bike to just enjoy without hauling 600 pounds. It's not replacing gas, it's complementing it. It's a new flavor of freedom, clean, simple, and shockingly fun. A new chapter in dual sport history. The XT500 was never about being the fastest or the flashiest. It was about empowering people to ride, to explore, to go further without needing much. And in 2026, Yamaha has brought that spirit back in a form that's ready for the next 50 years. The 2026 XT500 isn't just a new bike. It's a statement that electric bikes don't have to be awkward or over-engineered. That dual sport riding can still be raw, real, and personal even without gasoline. And maybe, just maybe, that simplicity still wins. This has been your deep dive into the 2026 Yamaha XT500. For more immersive reviews, tech breakdowns, and no BS storytelling from the world of motorcycles, subscribe to Acer Rider, where passion meets performance. Let us know in the comments, would you ride an electric XT500, or is your heart still thumping with petrol? Until next time, stay light, stay wild, stay rolling.